Okay, on this particular board, you can see that it's, oh, come on, that it wobbles on the flat. Okay, so really the only way to fix that is to use the joiner on one of the flat edges, like I did here. And so the one side, this side that hasn't had anything done to it, wobbles, but then the side that I put on the joiner does not wobble at all. So that side is perfectly flat. Now I can put this board through the planer, and this side will then become parallel to the other side, and my board will be completely flat. So that's just why I put this board across the joiner before I went through the planer. Okay, so now that it's gone through the planer, it is perfectly level, or perfectly flat on both sides, and both sides are parallel, and it is now 3/4 of an inch thick. And you can see, let's see this side. This side you can see some of the it's not super defined because it's not perfectly quarter sawn, but you can start to see some of the medullary rays of this side is more quarter sawn than this side. But yeah.